advanced on us. We were thrown into this, and we still had to go against you. You knew what was going on for 3 weeks. You had experience, everything. Us, we were thrown in here. You have a challenge against them. Get ready. You guys exercise machines, everything. You had the villa, the everything. You've been fighting each other, the apartment and the villa. Not fighting, but going against each other. You're already used to it. We were thrown in here. A bunch international pa. We have to learn each other's cultures. We're all thrown in here fighting each other even. And then we had to go against you guys. You think you had it hard also? What, the way you told me your first week was, what, we did nothing almost, we just milked some things? You said that your first few weeks here were okay. And then you said it got harder and harder. We were thrown into the hard directly. Did you ever think of that? Even you said you don't really feel like you know us. We came here and we felt like we knew you. Each one of you. Last night we talked about each one of you, saying how deserving each one of you were. How much that we love each one of you.
Could I go next? Please.
What you said about everyone being here for 7 weeks, going through so much. We've been here for 4 weeks, whatever. And we know how hard it is, and you've been here for much longer than that. Every one of us understands what you've been going through. It's really hard. And we all understood that, and we all felt guilty.
Yeah, you guys. It's okay if you don't want to give us the slots. For me, the slots don't matter anymore because you've already won them.
No, we do want to give it.
You just told us here for like 10 minutes.
You know, can you just please wait? Let me finish. You know why I'm saying sorry? I'm not saying sorry because I still want you guys to like give us slots. I'm saying sorry because I'm after the friendship. I really appreciate it. The friendship Sophia gave me when I was crying last night. She came for me. On my birthday, who came? Peter Nationals. And it really hurts me, you know, that when you guys like talk all about slots. I don't care. The truth is, I don't really care if I go to Big Night or not. Important thing is that I met you. I met friends.
If that's how you guys felt, you just told us that you had to say what you felt, and that's how you guys felt about us.
Yeah.
Kuya told you to say what's in your heart. That's what's in your heart, then.
Not what everybody thought, Brett.
No, I mean, before we came here, we auditioned the same. We didn't know we'd be here 3 weeks after you guys did, so it was just, we just didn't know anything. And yeah, I'm not gonna say it, you know. And then, so yeah, it's not about.
I'm sure some of you guys know, you know, what was happening, cause you know how we came here. It's not us. We are just here like out of nowhere. You know, I don't know who said that, but just because some people are pretty and handsome or so. And we didn't choose to come here like after 4 weeks.
You know how long we've been living here? All of us pretty much grew up here.
Yeah.
All of us inside here.
Guys, I can't say anything for now because as you see, you know, we are like so magulo, and can we just talk to you after we have more discussion, because we can't say like yes or no or what to do for
Is your rematch for 2 slots or 1?
Challenge, diba?
Hindi namin alam kung ano, i-discuss muna namin. Kahit ano, kasi kailangan namin din ng time eh.
Yeah, ganun kasi ang pagkakasabi, actually sa amin sinabi ko, parang sinabi.
If it's for 2.
Ganito parang
Wait, sorry.
Go ahead.
ganito. Pinakaplano namin, makipag-usap tayo sa kanila. Parang, ito na nga parang lalabas tayo dun, zero pride. Ganun lang, zero pride. Tapos, parang, kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman nyo, sabihin nyo na para makonvince nyo sila. Hindi naman para makonvince nyo na ibigay nyo yung slots, rectay. Kasi hindi naman sinabi ni Kuya na, convince nyo sila para ipamigay yung slots. Hindi ganun. Convince nyo sila para
Compete.
yeah, rematch. Ganun, rematch. Hindi sa amin ang galing yung rematch. Hindi na nga namin muna iniisip yung challenge eh. Iniisip namin kung paano namin kayo liligawan para pumayag kayo. Kasi parang wala naman yata tao dito na nanalo ka na sa loto, ba't may pamimigay? Bugo ka ba? Di ba ganun eh? Parang ganun lang sa atin to kabigat eh. Tapos, nung sinabi namin kay Kuya yung plano namin na parang, Kuya, we'll talk to them na lang po ganyan. Is that creative? Sabi, ano pong gagawin namin? Nag-iisip kami. Mag-rap kayo. So yun na lang. Nag-rap kami. Ay di sinabi, basta parang lahat, parang sinundan namin si Kuya kasi kanina nagtatalo-talo na kami kasi we keep on parang barahan ng ideas, barahan. Sabi ko, dali naman natin sundin si Kuya. Sinunod namin yung way ni Kuya, di ba? Parang, ang nagkamali lang kami, naging mean kami, di ba? Parang, naging mean nga kami talaga na sobra-sobra na gano'n na, masyado, alam mo, siguro naging mean kami kasi sobrang desperado na talaga kami, di ba? Kasi parang, Trisha, diyan ka muna sa likod Kasi yung parang sinasabi sa amin kayo na, hindi ba kayo nahihiya? Siyempre, hiyang-hiya ako, lalo na ako isa ako sa mayabang na parang sabihin ko, pagka kinakausap lang ako normal ni Kuya, ewan ko, ba't ko sasabihin na, Kuya, mananalo po kami, ganyan-ganyan, Kuya, amin to, ganyan-ganyan. Na parang, sarili ko, binobola ko, kahit hindi ko pa alam yung resulta, sasabihin ko agad sarili ko, mananalo kami, di ba? Na parang, nakasalang kami dyan, kaming dalawa nito yung parang pinakamayabang sa Pilipinas na sinasabi namin agad, hindi pa namin alam yung challenge, mananalo kami. Kaming dalawa nga yung pinatawag, hindi ba kayo nahihiya? Ganoon kami. Hiyang-hiya kami. Una kay Kuya, sa mga nanonood, sa sarili namin, sa mga housemates namin na pinagsasabihan din namin ng kayabangan na pinapalakas lang namin yung loob nila, kaya kami ganun, di ba? Pero sa sarili namin, hindi pa namin alam kung mananalo talaga kami. So, yun nga yung nangyari. Parang, sumunod lang kami kasi masyado na kami pressured. Tapos, pagka, parang idea pa namin yung sinabi namin, kami ang magtatalo. Ano na, naiiyak na ako sa confession kasi parang nagtatalo-talo kami dahil ba sa pagra-rap na yan. Una, pinag-aawayan namin, beat lang. Pangalawa, kung ano language. Wow. Diba?
Oo, kasi alam talaga namin na pressured kayo. Lahat, pero, sabihin natin na si Kuya nagsabi na mag-rap kayo. Na sasabihin, yung mag-rap para ma-convince nyo kami. Pero yung the way na nagsalita kayo, yun talaga kasi actually talaga magbibigay talaga kami ng isang slot pero lahat kami dito na-offend tayo. Talaga lahat dito sa inyo, true friend. Sobra. Talagang walang plastikan. Wala talaga. Nag-usap kami, everyone is deserving. Lahat talaga. Everyone is good.
We don't even know you. You say we don't know you well. We don't know you well and we did that for you.
Yeah, for now, parang ang tanga namin kasi yung ginawa namin para sa inyo kahit hindi pa tayo nagkikita, hindi pa namin nag-uusap si Devon tsaka si Angelo. Pumasok si Yung dito. Mga ganun, lahat ng sacrifice, tapos yung feel namin na true friend. True friend talaga, maganda ang tingin namin sa inyo lahat. Tapos biglang maririnig kami ng ganun.
Whenever you guys were coming here, we would believe you. Patrick runs in here. Oh, he get close. Okay, get out of the way for him. Go, go, go. Fritzy comes in here, says she has a stomach ache. We believe. We always believe you. We're always kind to you. Every time you guys win, we would congratulate you. Kuya would get mad at us even. This is a game. You have to fight for it. He said, no, they're our friends.
We were really kind of let's take breath.
I guess we were too kind.
Can I speak? Please.
Kasi nung third week, nung pumasok kami pa third week or fourth week na kayo, kami, pagdating namin dito, hindi namin alam kung ano dapat gawin. Tapos pag may task, lahat